If you are trying to decide between the Spectrum and the DirecTV in 2026, you are not alone. Both are major TV providers, but they work very differently. So in today's video, we are going to be comparing the pricing, the channels, the features, DVR and overall value so that you can confidently choose the one that fits to your setup and your budget. So first of all, let's start with the basics. So Spectrum is a traditional cable provider that also offers internet bundles. It's ideal if you want one company handling both your TV and the broadband. There are no long-term contracts on the plans, which gives you the flexibility. On the other hand, we have direct TV stream that is going to deliver you the live TV over the internet. There is no satellite dish required anymore and no cable box in the traditional sense, but you will need a separate internet provider in order to use it. Now, if we talk about the pricing of both, so Spectrum's TV plans generally range from the lower mid-tier pricing up to the premium level packages. It can look affordable at first, especially if it is bundled with internet, but equipment fees and the DVR add-ons can increase your monthly bill. The direct TV stream starts at the higher base price. However, most of the plans include the unlimited cloud DVR storage, which is a big advantage if you record a lot of content. With Spectrum, DVR storage is typically limited unless you pay extra. When it comes to the channel, both offer the local networks, the major cable channels. Direct TV stream tends to stand out in sports and the premium channels options, especially in the higher tier packages. Spectrum, however, often provides you the stronger overall channels count at competitive bundle pricing. Streaming flexibility is another key difference. The direct TV stream works smoothly across the smart TVs, streaming devices, tablets, and phones, even outside of your home. Spectrum's TV streaming features are improving but are still more tied to in home use. So, the real question becomes, do you prefer the simplicity of cable bundles or the flexibility of streaming? So the bottom line here is you can choose Spectrum if you want a straightforward cable bundle with internet and no long-term contracts. You can choose direct TV stream if you want unlimited DVR, better streaming flexibility and stronger sports or premium options, and you are okay paying a bit more. You can think about how much you watch TV. The answer will make the decision much easier for you. If this video helped you understand, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.